The yellow air code on an IFB washing machine typically indicates low voltage, which can be caused by faulty wiring, worn-out parts, or a damaged control board. This issue often stems from a power surge, which can affect the machine's required electricity levels, resulting in lower voltages and the display of the yellow air code. Damaged wiring, often caused by rodents or short circuits, can also impact the power reaching the machine's internal components. Furthermore, the control board can be damaged by voltage spikes, power surges, wear and tear, or excessive moisture, affecting its electrical components. To address the yellow air code, several potential solutions can be applied. Resetting the washing machine by turning it off, unplugging it, waiting a few minutes, and plugging it back in may resolve the issue. If the code persists, it may be necessary to replace damaged wires, which will likely require the assistance of a technician. The technician will test the machine, inspect the wiring for damage, and replace any damaged or worn-out wires. They may also clean out debris and fix worn-out pipes before reassembling the machine. In some cases, replacing the damaged control board may be necessary. A technician will unplug the machine, remove the top panel, and disconnect the dispensing hoses before removing the control board. They will then install a new control board, reinstall the top panel, and test the machine. If the damage to the control board can be fixed, the technician will attempt to do so. However, in some cases, replacing it may be the better option. Due to the complexity of these repairs, it is often best to seek the help of a professional technician to ensure the issue is properly resolved.